Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating sacred space and intention. Cleanliness matters because focus follows order. Light a diya and incense to mark the start, and place water and bilva leaves on the altar. Once done, state your request aloud in one clear sentence, then offer a short vow or promise if it helps you commit. Make sure you feel sincere. Devotion matters more than length, and breathe slowly to center your mind before continuing into chanting or meditation. You now move into sustained practice. Chant Om Namah Shivaya in sets of 27 or 108 to build rhythm and focus. Use a mala to keep count and avoid distraction. Between sets, offer a flower or pour water into a small bowl as a symbolic gift. This physical action anchors your prayer. As you chant, visualize Shiva's compassionate gaze and transformative power. This helps explain why you seek his help and connects intention with. You close by expressing sincere gratitude, ringing a bell or clapping hands, then sitting in silence for a few breaths to seal the offering. After the ritual, note any intuitive nudges and take practical action. Shiva's help often arrives through clear inner guidance and visible opportunities. If you encounter resistance or distracted mind, simplify. Reduce chants to 9, shorten the ritual, and concentrate on breath. Make sure to maintain regularity. Consistency matters more than perfection when results feel slow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.